Indians have been using turmeric for many years. Turmeric not only the most commonly used spice in foods, it also a well-known ingredient in beauty and skincare products. It's because its medicinal property. One of the key active chemicals in turmeric is curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects as well as a strong antioxidant. If you have issues like acne, hyperpigmentation or dark spots on face, then this DIY turmeric face mask will be the perfect choice to get clear glowing skin naturally at home. You can use turmeric powder here, but we are using raw turmeric juice for this homemade remedy, so that there will be some pure natural ingredients in this turmeric face pack which can fight aging and wrinkles from our skin. Here we are using 2 tablespoons, but you can take more by keeping the ratio right. We've all heard of the yogurt and turmeric face mask. Here lactic acid and zinc present in the yogurt help clear up blemishes and promote younger looking skin by reducing wrinkles. Many of us have mixed honey with turmeric and applied it on our face sometimes. We have said many times the benefits of honey. Its antioxidant and moisturizing properties will be very good for our dry skin. So, there is nothing more to say. As you can see, it's very simple as always. Just mix these well and apply all over your face. Keep it at least 30 minutes. Then wash it with normal water. It will make your skin healthy, glowing from inside.